How to add multiple accounts on TikTok. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to add multiple accounts on TikTok. So first thing, just open up your TikTok application and make sure you are already logged into one account. And once you're inside here, basically tap on this profile section and just make sure to log out from your account. And as you can see, I've already logged out from my account. Now you might notice that I have multiple accounts already. So if you also want to add multiple accounts like other than these two already existing, for in my case, so I'll simply tap on this login button over here and simply click on add another account option and just use my any of the Google account or Facebook account to successfully log in. So in this case I will simply use phone or email and just enter your email address, that is your registered email address. And once you enter your email address, simply click on continue, and they will send you the verification code to your email address. That is the OTP code, 6 digit. You simply have to enter it and click on done. And once you enter your password and all of the details mentioned, you will be successfully logged into your account. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.